Hi everyone, it's Lehman with Lace Covered Skies. I'm here today with an estate sale haul, and I did not find too much at this one, but I found some things here and there. So I found this book, and I have gotten this book before. I made a journal out of it. I will try to link it if I remember, but I got the first one at a thrift store. So I found this one at this estate sale. And of course the picture, I love the end papers, and the pictures are lovely inside. The pages on these are very thick and sturdy. And this is just one of those staple things that you can do so much with in journals. But let's go ahead and see what year it's from. Okay, this is from 1966. Not sure if you can see that. But yeah, was happy about that. The coloring on this, I think this is older than the other one I had because I like the coloring a lot on this. So got that. Now I got a bunch of file folders, and they are brand new. They're a little bit dusty because they were being stored. But I got a nice thick stack. I am so good on file folders for like 5 years, I think, because I've been getting a lot of free ones. And I'm gonna go over how I do that in another video in more detail. I went over it a few videos back, I think, but since then, oh my god, I'm like swimming in file folders. But of course, I still got some more. So I got a stack of file folders here, and I was able to kind of use this to bargain down the price because I mean, they are just file folders. They probably would have, you know, been tossed out, or if they could have sold this, it wouldn't have been very much because it was near the end of the sale. Oh, and here's a little bit more. And then onto like a little bit of the funner stuff here. I was really like grabbing bits and pieces. I was trying to make it worth it because there just wasn't too much. All right, so I found the cover of a Life magazine. And I just threw it in there. That's kind of a little bit of a tip, because when it looks like you kind of have trash, you can get a better deal. I love these magazines. There was a time when I found a whole bunch of these magazines, like 25 or 30 of them, for 25 cents at my thrift store. And foolishly, because I did not want to feel like a shopaholic or like a hoarder, I did not get all of them. Like, why? I only got like maybe 6 or 7, and I should have gotten them. But I found this one here, and the cover is not on here, I don't think. Or maybe this is really like a much older version or something, because it does look like a cover. But the other covers that I have are kind of glossy. This was from 1954, and it was originally 15 cents. The ads in here are amazing. If you guys ever find these for 25 cents, please snatch them up. Love that. That would be so cool in a Christmas journal. There's usually a few pages in here that have cool drawings. I don't know if it's kind of like near the center. That ad is so cool. This one's really cool. Maybe this didn't have that little section. Because there's usually a section where there's like awesome graphics. I guess not in this one, but still just so awesome. In the natural aging, this was definitely one of my favorites. And here's another one also from 1954, and super cool ad right there. I mean, even if there aren't those focal pages here, oh, like this. I really love these magazines. Why did I not grab them before at that thrift store? Look at that. Can you use $100 a month extra? That seems like it would have been a lot for that time period. But yeah, I'm so glad I found those. I thought this was a cool picture, so I grabbed it. I found some stamps, and I usually do not look for stamps. I don't even know when this was from. And they're from a different country, I think. So that's kind of cool. It looks like they're from Italy. I don't know how old they are. They don't look that old. This says 1980. But I think it's still pretty cool because it was just in my pile and I don't have any stamps at all. So that'll be fun to do something with. Yeah, 1984. These are from the 80s. So I was really just kind of trying to make anything go in my pile to make it worth it. I thought this might be cool to read. On You, It Looks Good is the title. And it is from 1963. If it's not fun to read, I love old novels and stuff, but if it's not fun to read, I could definitely use the pages. I found some postcards. I'm trying to see if there's a date somewhere. They do not seem that old, but I think they'll still be cool, like the postcards themselves. It looks really cool. I think they're from, well, this one's in Utah. I like how the photos look. That's a card. I thought this was pretty. And this is pretty cool. And these were actual photographs that I thought looked interesting, so I just threw them into my pile. And then this was just graph paper, which I have been looking for. I buy it at a dollar store, like 80 sheets for $1. So I grabbed that. I will likely be dyeing most of them, not all of them. I got this for the font. I thought this was cool font right here. And it's on like a typing paper. Kind of feels like parchment, so I thought that was really cool. And I got this for the font too. It's not too old. 1982, 1978. But I think this will be cool as a background in something. And then this. Just some papers. again, the typewritten font. Yeah, I haven't had much luck in finding super old like papers and letters at estate sales. But I think this will be really fun to use. So got that. And then I got some fabric. So this is definitely like an upholstery fabric. I found this exact one recently. I love it, so I'm glad I found it at 2 different estate sales. But this one looks used like the other one. And I could even use like the reverse side. So that was awesome. And then I found what looks like really old fabric. So you can see, right, like this is just like scavenging for little bits and pieces of things. I thought this color was really cool. It looks super aged. It smells very musty. I have not washed these yet. This was very cool. And this, again, very coarse outdoor fabric. Found this eyelet piece, very thick. I could even cut it into strips and use it separately. It's very thick. It's probably, it was like some kind of dress on a doll or something, possibly. Yeah, there's, well, I don't know. Oh, I think it's a dress. These are the sleeves. Okay, it's probably a baby dress or something like that. And then I found this. I thought it was a cool material. And I love what's on it. And very yellow and aged. But yeah, so just a nice little estate sale haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you liked the most in this. It was slim pickings, but it was nice to get something. But thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye, everyone.